Right, welcome back Mwanchumulina Dance Studio. Good morning. Na kulira nganko batulegana bageni Ansembese semo yengambo. Na bila shaka kirungu kwa bageni uko na Omodegeli Vincent Ogega. Mheshimiwa kuruchisa Mwanchirichi ya Masige East Mungwano bote Kigema asensemo ya Masige Kigema. Mheshimiwa aspiring governor Peter Jim Momanyi alega na intibora mambia mwanasiasa mukuru sana Gaston Robalia Gusi Kigema abonsi intosanga mange asi ensemeli yokurigelia mangano bole mibwe itogusi nemichando eli abali bako intera onsi kyande ko mintu kweba kwa siasa karibu nchinchu furu ko Matilda togenda gukwanira mangana mange bagini bayikirega ikabona mambia. I want you to welcome them in a very sincere way.
Omurigerere na boigo mategere karibu sana nainde nchengoro kwa Matilda obaigwa na ikia se studio kuna serigati achikyo komanya bigo tubwate aba ishimiwa babere abo turachokorigereya amangana yo boreme na boigo siasa ko iga se orongo orabusi asentra ya bene mheshimiwa Peter. Good morning. Karibu sana nainde ase tunde ya mnyargo sanga no murigerere na boigo mutegerere boigo mheshimiwa Vincent.
Yes, Matilda. Asante sana. Mbia mwana. Mbia bale. Mbia bale mbaba kwani.
Batire mai.
Abaira mai.
Lakini wewe mavina kwa hapo kanga imumira simbua tia family.
Na uko inyore mwacho murigere na boigo mategererire tena na boigo rinde general sanga.
Je Maria Peter Jimmy Momanyi. Onde momenyo Kisii County. And the aspiring governor ya Kisii County. Yes.
Asikwapo kakoro abantu mbia abanyakenya.
And na bondoje bako batagarira sana. Asama ngana yo mogendera ta koro ngia asa ajande te Kisii at the moment. Yes.
Mbia sana karibu.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes, Matilda. Na kioko sake Matilda. Mbia mano Amarieta Vincent Ogega abange bako nyakonangerio monogeria samangana siasa korwe constituency ya Bobasi oserere bako nyoke sub county ya Bobasi se county to ya Kisii ward ya Masige East wono
karibu sana
bia mono
bia bale baba kwani
nataka kuona mheshimiwa mtumembe yani lakini
agumba dai mtuma yugo matabwa yana mutumi nguru agumba dai. Nene agumba dai. Alright, bwana mheshimiwa Peter Jim na mheshimiwa Vincent Ogega akoro mukira studio mugakomane sana mugushi na boigo insengi makojuma rababaligire tiga igota sigeta sina mbayemo. And you know this is the only television and radio station abagusi bagwetogeli bono mambia bono bukiribya karibu katuku kwandira magana solution to challenges zibo tabagedemi azero rwagusi guchakirili tangane Kigema. Can you paint as mheshimiwa Peter Jim ngaki status yobole mi gusi ngaki korekana? Give us the picture.
Thank you very much Moscow Nsarigo. And mbuyamono asoe moyo yogwato kunya kurwanira abaremi.
Yes.
Asense moya gusi na ndiko kitali gusi yoka na arora kyabere no ambo ikoyo amine abosigisi. So mbuyamono endelera that way. Obole mi gusi ndo jenga bwasalikire totally especially asamangana ye chae amone kawa ebintu byasalikire byalire mune bonus abalimi bakolera so bad.
Right.
Ekyo gekoli kwaro kinga ano aneji director tochorete chionsi charokanire chiko bwati abaraya abale bono mutu because yose koligereria abalimi is kind of yani very marginalized, poverty very weaponized in a way abaraye batageta abalimi abatigalesaria for some time. Elinde nalyo bakonyara ko control umwe muntu mutaka obirangere byaye birenga inkyakolirero
naboko musauno kadete
enkyakoli mambi ngakyakorara ngakyakorageria abana baye. That is the poor man's mind. Bona abalimi abaraya I'm sorry tutake tobaruka abarai tutake tobaruke ani ruinous seke songo tumadina gindanyi beke seke usi ruinous yani abantu bali bago siria abandi because baba marginalized yobole mibono bwa very marginalized to again to get kebege tali buna kiarenge before.
Mushu Peter Jim. Yes. No, that is in order. But I want you to put it clearly. When you talk about abaraya baiga babiruina bagu siria bantu. What kind of leaders are you talking about?
Okay.
You're going to put different leaders.
Even from national leadership.
Yes.
So mpaka our directors.
All right.
Because since na ibole tunanya korole director ego sera umuntu okuchikomochora mu wakirise bole myaka.
Right. Yes.
I'm telling you, that is how now they have weaponized and they are very systematic, deliberate, paka national.
Is that one happening in Kisii?
That is what is happening in Kisii.
Oh yes.
Onye batali go korabo. Yani oro they have reduced yabalemi to animals. Yani ogo ikaransi abantu amari baigoro nko baserore tu uga inga nko baseranda abantu baikaransa assembly twete bamenya koewa 200 yakero ko baranga inkiranda actually abande bakanya 100. Is that what naone sabuni eli go sibi is more expensive than chibasa wasero bono abantu baitu ba very reduced to animals, yani to animals literally, because abegetera in area atagete go serwa. And this is particularly in Kisii in Corona Rabantu Aminto in Corona Rabantu Aminta Mavira Nari Ramaliga, because that is being reduced to animals. Why I go 200? No, I go 6, no, I go 1,000. That is not what it. Unomoremi. Na ende kero kwa hiru chibesejo, not knowing, because chibesejo abantu bakota ngo chibale ko kokore gwerende ko embawa bale abale miaba pesa chiri budgeted for it ngaichiarwa okoerwa embawa mediali chibese budget. It's not in the budget. Ozarigo, you look at that technically, chibesa chine chiabale bi chire scooped bono omuremi akoiberwa na ndobagirwa. Yani baise ko kane wento kelio ko bagerwa gyo serwa to koiberu kono right now umuntu okoiranga empowerment 200 lakini okoibere 10,000.
You're the loser.
You are the loser. That is why ngotebanga abalemi they have been marginalized and they are the most poor people in our communities. Abalemi baitu kanga they should be the richest people because they produce. So leaders take the advantage. In fact, abalemi baitu abalemi nabu bange majority nkali baise wanja na abana aba baitu ba porta baise ba very marginalized. In fact, in our current research, out of 10 porta people, 3 are graduates. Out of 10, Kenya women is obviously. Out of 10, 3 are graduates from universities. Why? They have been, instead of getting out of poverty, they have been returned to the poverty circles. That is what I'm telling you today. And Kisii will be the worst community ever. Because you have arrived na baliba koruterunga empowerment. Not asking why empowerment yetali koyo, why tali kogenda bosigisi, why tali kogenda any other place bogere is only in Kisii. In fact, empowerment is only in Kisii. The 200 shillings as you go saru ngusi.
Right, Mheshimiwa Peter, asante. But I'm shocked. Agungusi, Vincent Ogega.
Morally.
You are from Bobasi gusi. Mangana moshika ukwana nekene pingu mole miu karanse iru kabisa Bobasi.
Onsaligo, I can tell you amangana yobolemi ase gusi ito especially ase unatua kinre gocha na kiegento nero akibakoro ke backbone
ritina
nero egete kyomogonga asamangana y'abantu baitu bagusi abantu abange onsaliyo nona ebuno so meto gatoka ma ba matilda na bande obolemi obo plate a major role kobeka abantu abange sibale de chae go se bintu binde bionse but the truth no mo moske Jimmy atebire obolemi obwa koleirwe checha bono bwekire level obolemi bono botalie egento kelia abantu bakagokeire kare yani there's a time mama oga gasime kirugusi igaiga abantu batwaro mogoko ngama ogaya tokunyaira ase getoabeire egento and they used to plant them no ne chinguru chionse ba maide ngano jibese jete jikuru I saw bune umubeka ne bona ase kare yachete bono abantu ba yani abantu babwa expectations chire iguru ngi round yero ngonyo tori chibes nyingi.
Alright.
But look at what happened. Abali mbaba frustrated. Generally obole mubwito wens no nyatali echayoka. Look no nyobole mbweka abantu bali basimekete chikago. Abantu bali up to date babwata maoga. Abantu bali basimekete no nyene bituma. Bole miyobombora rekana bagokonya abantu. That's why urocha abantu bali go shift. No nyonguru asamanga ne bole mukogende bintu binde bingao. Bachakire ko change emegondo yaba ko begende ngao. You saw the other day abantu batete go tokora no nyene chai. Because mbara value yegende ke basimegete mbarara asige ko bachenjeri obogima. So generally njenda atebenga obole mibwagu si boli bwa tegemeire na bible na abantu okonya abantu bwakolerwe echecho nande bwa very reduced tuwegende nga obuno mwishimiwa Jimmy ateba
echeche nimoyo gokora echeche.
Well, naligeretie I was checking something when was that last week nkarora omayete Kenya ngima kero molemi agotora osebono mwishimiwa Jimmy asenare Kenya abantu bagotora amatane n'enkoro kire Kenya ngima abantu bagotoba echaya matabere n'enkoro nkarora a report ye government ya Kenya gotebanga ogwaka no gwichibesa gukia samangana KTDA okwa increase from around 186 billion to 252 billion chibesa chi abantu bali kuchikolia. But back to chibesa abantu bakulibune bonus kwanyora peanuts. A question yama na gochaiga onye chibesa chiecha chiakini gukoru elevo gete go chi elevo gete rigoro ngige ko gere bonus yere koira nice kwambo ringango yo kore checha.
Yes
echeche cha gete kuruguru alia kurua serikali ya Kenya nyene my view egeko gera abanta echa yaito koiruchi chiro chase koya chikoni wororo nkoni tole echa yaito go chi Pakistan kon tole go chi Russia kon tole go chi Sudan, you know, baka China ngwaro je the other day echeche bonen NNP serikali ya Kenya tete ko yaswana ni sana na mangana ya mangana Sudan bale tete leader ya Sudan ya RSF ko che kumobeka state house ya menyeto egentulika mako ge chiese ya Sudan bube ke gaunchura HIT aliko ni Sudan anger close to tons chicha ense ya Sudan yakana ntuko kwa cha Kenya ine impact tie mpesa na so molemi ole no yangu sisi itoga. Look at the way directors buna mheshimiwa Jimmy ateba bako kora siasa yabo nowadays. Initially buna ateba no njo mheshimiwa Jimmy na ikera aba director ntu kama nyino siasa iko senero we didn't know okocha kutobokera ngondo na role ngomo director. But nowadays there is again to kia beire kia rosigu aba director bago sera bune president bago sera abantu buna bajumbe meaning again tonkere mali batageteti batete bara soka kuru aba nanchi bara basuguma bago ikaime pamaiko bakolie gas kweli. So abakoro bochagete from the national government kuru se president yense bogacha to the KTDA management bogacha to directors veg factory down up to the chairs bechi tundubali cheito abakoro bonke bogo pima chichae. Let me ask you Onsarigo.
Yes
ekero ko irecha tundubali osenje na rachi tundubali ngorande abantu bago chori gwecha nga ebatagete mberu ororo patiga yengiya in our mind tuarengere iringana ki igobone yanje iru koirwa mata ndongo iteli kubale cha I saw my aunt last time o tugete cha back home ngeye yakanwa. So tuarengere ringa eyero banchira yagenda then is the right one nere takeire baadaye to makogo reporting echa ine kimo wakane ruinse na singenje cha ino telecommit standards ne chicha ichinde kurwa ase chinsemo chinde ngeba kera go test unoro meme ngeya ino teli wansa boronge to mana kwebo ngakie cha etanse ngie ko tumekete go test o ta test rete ya boikoyo o ta test ya bosempo sigisi. I mean we should be very sincere na ntotebo maana ngaki abanta bane cheche bakora ande bale set koibera bali mbaito
Matilda.
Mheshimiwa Vincent.
Yes, Matilda.
Ase ngane neburo ko kana RSF kiombe kya kuru Sudan.
Yes.
Tigarina sokote wana komenya state house. Tugyo kama itengane gikaroba koletari KICC ikikiareteto oboro. Korende what is the best approach abrai kuseba director bara tumike ko communicate na baremi asoro gongoro gusi especially kraba ko boria chikura.
My view about I think you may not know again to now state house. RSF. Later in another interview I'll give you details of what happened in State House. Okay. If you ask me, but today since we discuss about that one I'll skip that one.
Lakini jana nda mokonye komo supplement ya point ina ki iyo kanja renge koba nga ne kosi yoko wakana bantu baito jibe sachense
ngeja ite oniruchi Sudan
kosi echa ya ito teliyo kaya ko ni Sudan nga ke abo koyo era nga yaone tu.
Those are the questions.
You know, panya ba te nga Sudan ikanga igo yange te yakusi
No, mheshimiwa Peter. Mheshimiwa Vincent obekire gana iganga buya sana nga andake echae bantu bacholigwa. Imbe ya tigara. Ingia yagenda. But ali bosio yagusia test gunoro meme ni yerembe. Now, how
meme ga kindoli scientific. Omanyete avanteli ignorance of the first.
But those are the statement from directors.
Those are ignorance of no test chicha ibere chio. Omuntu naro je virasi bichiete go chiaria. Oro meme ruasarekire ibere chioka. Ruasarekire kya no go test no meme what tolerance. Now go test with tolerance. In your meme ruaba scientific ingana ru go test the best. And I mean, this is the worst. This is the concentrated one. That is stupidity. In cameras, on camera. We don't want that. Again, don't keringa abara yabato tomete indi baro chegendik. Na romo gambionde korubarabu osero. He spoke something very tangible. Yani kebuate sense. Lakini okoru terabali miba correct. They have nothing to do now when I push again they get to parliament. Obolinga indioro memero ruachaka kwa test ye chae kwa manyangoro yani ya test concentrated here yempua quality bagatorta matata tonenkoro. That is not good. Nande bono umurai manya gotene na sa bantu jako bataya bantu ngaki egento bune kintori go chiko kitaka. Onye muri go chiko kitaka, what do you do? Take it to where make policies. Ekina kinago chakira go devinga ki we are poor by design. Ntuwe tole poor by design. Yani we are organized to be banta bataka more especially gusi so that to tuare virengera byo question a mind of your master uri go kugambira. Because yeraga go tenga ikaranza nse burana onye tuete no go ikaranza kwa 200 kwa walk. Kwaendera como erect.
Mheshimiwa Jimmy ngora nanda sore ekero ndaringe kuboria omoske ogega. Enchira enkia yugukwanira umurimi ekero muntu akurigio burai gusi aba director abaiga nereri otatika bona otwa kubekare amangana yogosera. Yes.
Ebirengere byane ndatebega. Abalimi bwaitulitangani mbatagete ntokwegena ngomo director koligi chikura na atu alenjerengia yogo sababa ndo chikura again to kirabe is a reverse of what we are saying anaki tikabali mbaito babe prepared nganaki ekero monta go kuboria gotenenera mangana yeke kemerike go konyo bugima bwao kora morigelinga monta ina kyoyo na yia beire kurumaega na ndinga kia korire bintu bya because onyabali mbago chikotegemea ngomuntu kubachi besa koboko nere bako elect kobe director na njire buno mweshimiwa Jimmy yako tebanga ki ochore to mudareke tagenda kurwanirire esababu yae no kwenda korobu obonga kindate leadership yae oburai bwae bogende bo change ebintu. You know, when we elected these directors boni gabaroro they were criticizing aba director konye ba lengo ronga ba fail ya bale misana ngabanta I attended so many functions abanta ababono baro bala tabanga tata to chokolire cha chibes I think nandi chi alenge than this one ba go challenge 20 abate mi baito ba kokorerwe cha ba kuriyo bonus ya sing oishirini nkiura akore no mwana no ire skuru gose ya no kore no mwana ne karam.
So they criticize 20 bono ba kira banyia they are giving 10.
The question is abantaba igona abantu babwate ba yani prepare nia yogo chicha pacha koibera bali. I think nande kene da mente matrida ngeliyo mheshimiwa atabira ngaki aba director aba tigabatiga koleta kera makosa abiri buna bono yogo wakana bande cha chibesa chirense ebanka bone bakonyera nande saba limi kind of kolige solution kurwa saba ntaba batesete kibara you know mole mitabwa ati solution mole miegento gyo kamanyete ngeli ngagenda mugonda tole cha anyere tundu bali apime aira nenka koreki akanye bonus na inde remember mole miyo kanyete bonus echo kwa 10 no ri wata betinga aye yawo nengi yako guyeyo yonde twaitira later ocho koma tengeli na inde nende. So I want to believe directors, they are not doing their work properly because these are the people we have elected baka ndeba represent ya bantu boronge ba push for policies chindonge abantu banyore bonus yengia. So on your question abalimi not directors bagoto kaidinga ki nga kitoko chora. Yes,
on top of that na ende orojo mole miosime kire chai onyebe kiro buoyo otorire onyerire factory onyetigeira abantu abono ng'aki leaders bono tone rimo toe chibesa in fact omurimi bono ere gatakeira ikaransa aganye chibesa chiaye chirane arusie chiagurete obwoyo arusie chiabe akanete omufanyikasi elinda arore gosengorosia ari profit bono kwamenya konya bono obeire marginalized to nothing bono obotaka bwasoire poor leadership poor decisions chigorosi kwe factory ime na chichigerete abarimi baito batakaire bobe naende ogokwanera okugwateba in fact director mbatakeire go campaign
campaign tete
batakere kobeka amarieta abo ime ekiate appointed locally babeka amarieta abo ime abantu abarimi babachore bono omuntu wete botuko wachaka go campaign gosera abantu konia marimo. I know of people bagorete oborimi. In fact I was one of the people barenge gwakichikure chiaita cia abantu aba bachabo bachore tunabarimi inche na ageti chikura tendere inche na ageti chikura abantu abekero bachete including board members. In fact it wakoreta you this since they know inche tindi monto go pendi abande barego tengechugula like primary kids ba call interview by myself ebinto ba promise de barego chikokorera abananchi tindo even one. I don't see even one nche naba interview eti nkababole simu akolire before igas mo bande mo bwate poor records. Are you going to be better? Onye ntwara chinguru choko dismiss ngekute bandit mbare ngocho because most of them nimba manyete mbare gocha gochoru but nabalimi babwata okoboko bwogocho nche natenenete kobeka ngaki na abantu babekire chisigina chabaretire naba abantu bono chora balimi because onye no mweno nabwata about 5 people bale komurwani onye na others na bale ngororo so abalimi na ubako chora bubi. That is what I'm telling you.
Mheshimiwa Peter, you know, on the same point,
yes.
Now, a legislative duty, yabara yamukwanera,
yes.
Which is agriculture sector.
Yes.
Because actually, ndoche ekirigeka nenenga whoever the blame is going to elective leaders,
yes.
Now, what are their duties legislatively?
Muna legislative members, especially parliamentarians.
Yes.
And the governor.
Yes.
Parliamentarians and the governors.
All the way to MCS.
All the way to MCS.
Yes.
Ebatakere kutwara egento gekoro kunga good policies.
All right.
Bakukwana about yabalemi chisetiwe. Ego batakeire ko initiative into bakoro kanga value added addition.
All right.
As a commodity echicheto bune echae ne na biretram. Ama na coffee.
Yes.
Bisukake. Bakagora chi ebereke no wanko gora bereke. Ebereke mbagore te machine ngachigo ko ade value ase chaya ito. Tikabe questo.
Yes.
Bakamanya korwa bakachangia abalemi chibesa. Echino an members of parliament bamanyete. Chibesa nga ndiko chikoros tole estima korwa sa machi. And the members of parliament are aware. But chibesa echo chikaibwa chikachigotumeka some regions chitali kusi lakini abalimi baito barabu mbana chetuorore.
All right.
Muna nyansara aliekera kere maata ali nyansara. Ngetakere gotubeka korosia maji by now chichuma chinde nchiro lakini nkianya koba effective ekerankere ga nyali balima yanya kwana ebinde byachakire go produce estima ekero bya produce estima nsaligo we expect jibasa chiri twali kwakana estima cost of production ira nense but after doing all of this abalimi baito bakolera all this bagaba members and registered paka councillors and governors bagwenete kubwati ba support which policies do we have in place chikokonya abantaba asa abantaba bakoiberwa nga kitoko to close these loopholes. There is one politician, a very senior politician Kenya ya itobonoiga. In fact, Isaac Okorora igata banga balimi baka no 30 shillings they will be paid, but he doesn't want to do that. Is one of the guys ogoretia balemi bole mansai abeke ogoretia these directors without the approval of ya balemi akabagorio bolemo uro over 400,000 acres obekire paka chi machine ororo chiaye chi go process chi other products.
So the directors have their own.
Obole mombole bwago le tumomanyi wechi factory sato kiamo kama mochumbe naro wewe eyere nyali bali gwende ogembo mochumbe naro oyere umachoke bobasi mochumbe naro eyere nyamachi wewe these factories injako litobole mumanyi obole mombole kwara iweta abamanyi nabasigisi batagete kurwanirira ekero basoka oburwanira one of the leaders yakachiakagoria these directors era buno murayi ogore tobore mubo ta kubori nga chibese chinabakanete nchia igete asabaremi bagakanu.
Mheshimiwa, do you have evidence because you are talking on TV?
99%.
So you read it, you can
I do want it, and if it is not going to be clarified very soon,
yes,
I will table it and it will go.
Oh yes,
yes.
So even the one who
so that's why I'm telling this program yoko make abalimi baba bataka eliva dependence. It is a planned project. It's not by accident. It's by design. Ngatiga bali meini ko baba bataka tunyago turumbuka tunyako basera. Ngati abantu mugocha ko embawa abantu bataka baire embawa adi abagusiya babaje tujumapiri. Nali baje tebakwa kunga empowerment to abalete gusiga because of politics, poor design, poor thinking. Inga togenda ko embawa abantu because of Matiang'i. Igonga so many Kisii people are being slaughtered because of Matiang'i factor. Nga tuche ko neutralize the influence ya Matiang'i. That is wrong politically thinking. That's a very poor designing.
So you want to say omolemia besaliete baada issue ya Matiang'i politics nero?
Ngatieta bororo oro jonyo baji bona libagare koewa chibesa chiaye javere portion di chichako ba embawa na and is that not the bad thing.
Mheshimiwa Ogega, how true is that? Umugusio ligereti boni
banyete mogambi Jimmy engora moroka efama number 001.
Yes,
abwata information erentindi sana gore amangana munabone issue ya letire yo boli mubukali mansae nabo tutanya manya tuensi kutigera bweka ande bu otebanga moise kotako maena na bako bobeke mesa igora. Mine is different nga this wali rikwa boli tiritanga ngaki how then to legislative duty sechi aki abanda bako held accountable asamangana munaya ya mangana bono yo boli mboko salika. I can tell you maete onsaligo no nyano mo director le nyamacha bono yo sore ogembo sana ya maete factors ne nyinga sana chiko keya e bonus yo molemi no nyana mangana ko gendera chi factory ma chi bes chiringo chiri bakabaika pacha akoreza abantu ngantu akana chintereba tu akoreta maguta tu akoreta ki tu kanya koroto ki yani na chicha ona konyo mono chi bechete gusiga na konyo nga omolemi ali wakana 20 for example na ande chikamana go kenyu igae factory menero ekete for other logistics chira say factory him. So all these directors also na barompa tagete because they have powers chogo okay cost ya production chogo okay amangana agendete factory me so that ekerebe seria achire nonye necha 40 ba tonga chibesa bagutumia samangana ko production ne chibesa omolemi akonyora yani kugachitwa leta bautiere ekorekana tu asaba antu bagorokwa bajumbe. I'm surprised nga up to now as we speak I saw the governor Kisii County ogo kwanera about HR. I think it was in Mombasa.
Yes.
Ogo kwanera about HR again to ketabu ati impact at all ani akuru statement
general statement
a general omole miara arwenga yani omate omondaje wani gata benga ki abali mi baka ntuchibesa inse sana. You know that alone is not a solution to a problem wana bali mbibabuata naro je mugaba no batanga bali mbaito ebaka ntuchibesa chinse mono nto gwanja. What policies, what have you done as a leader representing these people to make sure that a bonus, you know, na takera to mesme Jimmy last time there is a way a bonus abali mbakule shilingi 10 bara reverse decision ye omole miaka no chibes chinga because I don't think so ba no ni
batumira abantu bali bakoliere chibengi batumira lakini abangi baraka.
But there is a possibility leaders base go push again to na bonus yakoba na begunzuru abantu baka no chibes chindonge. So I'm surprised ngaba jumbe tubwate 9 kurukisi na abande bane kurunyamira abachumbe 13 plus women republic governor ibere bantu para push for this because abantu bali rete bonus ya 60 shillings 40 52 no abajumbe babo no bale mali parliament they are quiet because they are people why our members of parliament bagokira bataliko grill batabanga we want to see the minister agriculture in this house respond to questions igayanga ki ngakia bale mibagusi bakonyora chisiringi 10 while other areas bakonyora chibesi nyingi so again to discuss kuma alito yaguchi sababu chiriyo muri miera nyare gotegera tagigende.
So according to you Mheshimiwa Vincent Ogega, you want to say our leaders have failed?
They have failed because this onsaliko we will obora egwango igano nyanae.
Yes.
Ntayete nkoboli esababu abantu bago choraniririe obe buna barobo
representation
genda gali kulera abantu bawo bolingana ki abantu bane bebe usinabe ward yago se constituency yago nkigekogera batanyora igenteke abamo ina abanyora.
Right Mheshimiwa. Asante sana. Muchumuli no motegera lya sante gekogeranga murubuli netu wani yagetembe ekatugusanga Mheshimiwa Omorogeli Vincent Ogega, Mheshimiwa Honorable Jim Peter Mumanyi nabo igo ancestor Matilda no muralio mintoka bonmambia tugendumo tumukomo sinini gaso konyora ama Yesu radio tukirudi ingambi bwatete nso isegusuka utakuno kosa uondo tobese gusuko Mheshimiwa Girali.
Customer Best Herbal Shop nigo eukureria obugwenya abetera samariogo yemete ase amarwaire akubwatia allergy, arthritis, asthma na mariogo ande yokoyanam egetekyo mogongo, brucella, blockage, cancer ejuerensia stage 4, diabetes, neuropathy, depression, endurume, fibroids, high blood pressure, hemorrhoids, heart and spleen diseases, hepatitis B, emechando yenyigo, emechando yoroima, okokea wechinguru uchabagaka, ovarian cysts, fistula, prostate problems, GSTI, marwire yeri sankwa, uric acid, fatigo gatiyana yande amange, totarere aseduka yaito, magega ya Cooperative Bank, mbarabare nase ebengi ya Family Bank yarenge, chinsege chinde, Postfarm Plaza, ground floor, na boigo runde rwa Discount Plaza, yuri mbarabare na KTRH. Asamange twakere simiyasa 07105 JMAP Preparatory School ne school y'umwano abwene tkwirikia nagosoma chinga chichiga eskuru yekerero erosire ekerero naborokia banchire ni wizara y'ikiseme imeyensi ya Kenya. Skuru eganigo ibwate kurwa klasi ya play group goika grade yakane mbabwate ebirasi bisaine nkwegeria bare guhitania masomo akawaida kwegeri bare French, sign language, music, chess, drama, dancing abwasi biringo baika asenga kiga ni bien nationals egetiga isaina sebagutinira endagera across kwa asachenire kegama babwato bosombi ibweskolo ebirengo by'uburendi eburigoro egekogero umwano akubeke kyara omanyigoswa naboigo ekeragosoka kurwa seskureyo dikya umwano aseskurega erasumuchie obosungu ensema ya jogo Aria Saint Marks bakere simya senamba 0726 73 2322. JMAP Preparatory School. Jishinde. Ushinde.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochogane chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
JMAP Preparatory School ne school y'umwana abwene kwirikia na gusoma chinga cyeciga eskuru yekerero erosire ekerero naborokia bancire ni wizara y'ikiseme imeyensi ya Kenya. Skuru iganigo ibwate kurwa klasi ya play group goika grade yakane mbabwate ebirasi bisaine nkwegeria bare guhitania masomo akawaida kwegeri bare French, sign language, music, chess, drama, dancing abwasi biringo baika asenga kiga ni bien nationals egetiga isaina sebagutinira endagera across kwa asachenire kegama babwato bosombi weskoro ebirengo by'uburendi eburigoro egekogero umwano akubeke kyara omanyigoswa nboigo ekerago soka kurwa seskureyo dikya omwano aseskurega era somuchie obosungu ensema ya jogo aria Saint Marks bakere simya senamba 0726732322 JMAP Preparatory School jishinde ushinde.
ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia indibo enyinge aha bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu weniabwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No borwere bwasumbuira abagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime hypertension no borwere kera manyinga kogenda ibure somo be. World utafiti itosomete chinjira isato cy'ukorwa lya marwaire enjere ntangani itosomete ingendu nga conventional medicine yani ubunyagitari obwa kawaida itosomete ingendu nga nutritional medicine na marioga alyakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka esoko lya marwaire njirende yagata tusomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine tugutumia mariogo akurwese mete twarwalya marwaire igao muchito bosongo monene ntubwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu room 307A ntubwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit L Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Eduka ya Sha Ceramics nigo ebwate ebintu ebiyebyekerero ebyokoneria asiri gulirigia mbabwate chi tile ao chichirange ao ne chi size ao chi power tool chi loka chi mirangu gose chi doa locks mbabwate chi marble naboigo chi granite mbabwate chi rangi ao naboigo chi skin coat mbabwate chi MDF boards naboigo mbabwate chi choo ni chi accessory chi choo mbabwate chi kitchen sink naboigo mbabwate emerango yo ere semi solid naboigo emerango eria solid mbabwate deformed bars naboigo mbabwate chi tangi chi machi chi size ao mbabwate chi cabinet chi ceiling board mbabwate wall to wall carpets mbabwate chi shower ni chi instant shower karoi mbabwate chi bathtubs chi size ne chi type ao mbabwate ebirobu mbabwate lighting chi type ao mbabwate chi gypsum board mbabwate chi channel mbabwate chi simiti amabati chi square tube chi size ao ne birengo ao incho Sha Ceramics bwenyorere asiri gulirigia asamange bakresimese number 0703943972 ajirira gocha aseduka yabere Gansons Plaza angana Quick Mart Kisi opposite Mucha Place.
Kila nafsi na ita
twararire ogokwa ku mwalimu Charles Mabeya Mukaya oirianye nyangena ngeniyo yokabero mwalimu eskuru ya Kyongonge yaro mwana omukaya Nyariki na Rudia Nyambeke yaro mwaka o Madam Helen Mukira Mabeya na nigarise Jillian Nyanchama Griffins Bundi na Edgar Mukaya gari mwabanya gusira Bundi Nyabuto Omiso Machuki Abaya Mura Jane Masala Nyariki Peter na boigo nyangarese Moturi, Abaya, Joyce, Pamela, Helen, Musaisi na Isabella. Ngari mwana Onaftal Moige na Nyagusira Penny na Vagatuta Village. Ngari bamwabo Nyatogo, Mariaka, Abaya, Nyanamba, Nyabate, Nyamoita na Bandabange. Ngari Semoke, Eric, Titus, Alvin, Demo, Dolphin, Pacifica, Franklin, Machuka, Jacqueline, Nyariki, David, Samuel, Naomi na Bande. Basanda bairi niko baganda takumera na keralituko alia sobo nyangena ngeniri anyi na boigo erera asenka ya yere angine skuru ya Nyanjo Adventist Primary School Kosenaps mchango no berit kulia Jumatano tariki 15 tinyuko mwako yiga aigerera na mwalimu hotel kwani kwaye muradi gwe na inde Gatemba Television na Gatemba FM torengore yeito
Alright, mwanjubulili karibu nanda sembe okigima ketuju usangamo nyuma yemutu mukumusini tuagenda kuraka na jibili ya sinsemili television na wako ama yali ya tigiri chimbe ga inye chinse ansensemi ye radio. Karibu na mwanjubulili autonyurasi radio 102.7 nara igita sini na mbemo radio ya gubanche tekigima na bukunye gutukirasi ujumbe utulikira gaigasi studio amangana atugu sangaga lisi television boy gaya masemo yanda utubuati miyoka sebi tandao Getembe TV sebeli ya Facebook Getembe TV sebeli ya YouTube na boy china bachitu studio tugoletega antulibangiti 0741583878 0726447367 na emambia bono katusangamo mushimiwa Peter Jimmy Mumanyi no aligaiga umole 001 na bagwero kaiga nado kugira bale migira guzigima mushimiwa amonageli Vincent Ogega mweto monageli karana so tukukora zimitandao kaleiga akuli mungwano yo tata mungwano gukwani ugiringiri umugaba yo ni ngoyo kumbe nderoyo so anyway we are start tukukwane bintebinge kakima katanga somo tumokotu abo olibiyanga ki legislative duty iyabara ibaito nereriye ekero muri myako umya watebanga nkwaro chomo governor itoga gukwani ngani yabalemi ali Mombasa nande by the omo governor nomu ya muske honorable Simba Paul Rati congratulations asinjonali retabalimi igumo nchumuli tukuranyore kerengeli ku nkwana yomo governor na kwa ntegali gurabalimi andake guru wakanu kwaboko ke kurase studio tuirane tusanga bangi
Mombasa auction ya chai imekuwa ni mambo mali ya wizi inafanyika. Chai yetu inatoka kule Nyanza na Rift Valley. Eti tuko na watu karibu 9 ambao ni auction directors wanatesti chai kwa mdomo, wanasema hii ya Kisii ni mbaya, hii ya Kericho ni mbaya. Wacha niulize, ile miwa mnakula hapa Mombasa inatoka wapi? Managu ambao mnakula inatoka wapi? Ndizi inakuliwa hapa inatoka wapi? Nauliza, mbona chai yetu ikue kwamba sio tamu lakini miwa ni mitamu, ndizi ni tamu, mboga ni tamu? Huo upuuzi lazima ishe. Hakuna vile tutakuwa na watu hapa ambao wanatesti chai kwa mdomo alafu wanatuambia chai yetu ni mbaya. Bonus imekuliwa kwa pesa ndogo. Tumeamua wiki ijayo, huyu ni mimi, Gavana Parachok wa Bomet, wa Kericho Gavana Mtai, Gavana wa Nandi na Gavana wa Nyamira, tutatoa habari. Sisi tena tutaamua kwamba hii auction ya hapa watu wana test chai kwa mdomo hatuitaki. Tunataka
Ingana yaye umugavana umuske Paul Simba Arati kukwanira ingane nne umulimi omizirwe ide bwana mheshimiwa Peter Jim.
Yes.
What is your take on the governor statement katukuli rumulimi?
Gavana ninu abarali nkora blame title mubegetenga solutions to challenges facing agriculture in East Land.
Yes.
Na Simba na ruete solution. That is a wrong concept. As in one area Simba was crying with the Gisi people who have been marginalized. It was yani garenge li choli liabali mibakurira. Iga kwane teru kamno muntu kurira. Tare the solutions yende yonse. Naende birangara libyago tanga baje bamitine chigaba na chinde paka nyalibo eline gento gya future. Bona for example Nsarigo.
Yes.
Kwa Iberu Chombe. Now igoko tebya abantu ngatonde tokitobweli Nchombe nchibwo gosoko tebya abantu ngakitora bwati Chombe chetu turairania. Gosokora bwati Chombe chebiru.
Yes.
Bona oya bari ko teba ngango chitore go ikaransa toje togite Chombe nande moko Iberwa hii maneno hatuwezi kuyakubali. Ndio tena bakwa na hatuwezi kuyakubali. Meaning he want to prevent for the future. Inkiatara bwateli billions and billions chibera bale mibono ikagusi tochirani. The only leader gusi omole minaro lile gusi oligere omorayo Patrick Yosero Borabu. Nero kwananga egente keke ko irukoti yani goiko omurai gokorora egintu mutwarie vision kwara abantu guchio tari kwaso akorera n'abantu bono who is leading who erabune governor yes he county in fact he could have called these people directors yansena directors apo olibona anse kubwati chibesa chiaye chiabale mbaye sichibeire that is the time when ngakianya chae abantu bachite bakamentu 15 shillings on top of konyaba ibeiru ekya mugako lingo tuoma rengenege kuba God bless his soul in peace no muntu uri gukwana bake gusiyanyagera tari omuntu ogocha kotebanga aembawe abantu yani abarai baito baka 40 million for example umanya gocha ocha ko abantu 64 shillings empowerment asegusi that is empowerment that is poverty to people chibese 40 million onyo oro murayo bwate vision yokoraria wali dia abantu gochio nkiata gochakira industry eli kabantu nkiata gochakira a factory muna ejabo girango twegwete yakwaniru for all this time kangaja aenda beke 40 million ye chororo abantu bakora banse kori kwororo that is empowerment onyenya libali bwati asili toka lili nyingi beke a factory yeli toko wosebo basi that is when you are leading people to a vision you have as a leader. Bona abana kinko barokera rulers the best things baroku rulers yawe be ruler e cover best in a place in a certain season oruli abantu okororuo without the legacy that this our leaders yaba mokoro ka leaders batakere go chaka bono baroku rulers our rulers baruli abantu bakora legacy teyo bakora bagenda so ekiagera muntu togo so akoreresia abantu liba goko ba solution simba speech yaye gari ale korera abantu baito baiberwe seke gusi ntoligo chigotaka echaye go test guno monwa echaye go inkorera arenge because that is the same language wakwa
Musho Peter
abalimi
Musho Peter
yes
omugabana urangi ire abagabana bamwabo gekora mangana asale kire bachi kuimuka bachakurwane sei
yes
mubiki abwana
koimuka kurwane torwet mbara batakere baimuke baruane segie batanga kichibase chetu karato asichasirete
yes
that is what we want chibese chichoka inchembe governor Kisii County actually ndara kwa kantaka sinini engaki ya governor ngwae abantu about 25% mbaruete poverty baka join middle class bono
what happened
contractors bali barenge ngaki yongwae they have gone back to poverty. Abantu bange mbakunyara wa 42 meals a day. Those contractors, I'm sorry to say this. Ekiagara pending bills mba kanetu. Chibesa chiri gabana ega go spendi ekairani to CRF account. Abantu baito babeire match bairiru bono poverty na wada bono doji 25 konya bachire go I'm an economist by profession. But those contractors bono nande bairani back to poverty. This is the ruling class in power. Igere marginalize abantu to poverty in a bad way.
So according to you,
yes,
governor statement tibwati umuhimu solution.
Tibwati any substance. Ni numwali kwenye meki alinga solutions challenge.
Solution na to make it totoi.
Bon, solution nje nkoba bon.
Right.
A solution neye.
Utatoa solution ni mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Bwana Ogega, mheshimiwa, what's your take about the governor statement? Omulimi kulingali. Yes.
Onda tebeiga. Umato mugabana ukisi nchebuna molane tibotambe no mugabana webi peace nimo manyete sana ere statement ya kuruhalia tebuati no no mutu imo muntu nyokunore te gutokorengera ti muri mimi in my understanding namo manyete. Why am I saying this? You've seen the governor oko invite yo mugabana wanga bachikuruanire chae echa nero mabe.
That's a good question.
We don't have tea no mabe omuntu okurangira yo kurwanesia
amanye de kwati
yani okoleto omuntu ajogo bwati zijombe tamaye tigoro yo bole mbwecho matamaye tino yani chombe ndiche betu moiso eli akabere.
Yes.
Omugavana bose lead and dance. You should not join abahanta sebirero ekera makosa abeire na bengo munyagitali ogenda nyagitali kurwaligu nera cha yokolere singa lioteli ndikali nene gaki na kitoko kora lioteli ere gali obo ete lioteli kindete tankonye.
Yes.
A leader should find solutions to his people. We should expect ya mangana gaba na kuwa na manga so mkutano wa ODM. Kango ganya ile boardroom wasi director chire. Anyo ile board achire no ne kasi gaba na kwa State House. Yes. He always goes to State House. He meets President eye to eye. Ngiata go chira State House yamotenga Mr. President as the governor of Kisii. Ngianya kurukana chi governor chinda. As the governor of Kisii County, my people iwara underpaid amangana ye kwerende. Again the yasali iri rieta no nyine empowerment yenye watango nyotoma bajumbe kwa chokolata 64 shillings ya sabanto is not important compared to mbuya no otike empowerment ye pia 64 shillings otokonyera bale miaba chibese gishiringi komingo toletera chiriri egenteke pesana. Please mbabu mo skeji minata bai umuntu nare Kenya yora kwana lingana limonga ki chibese chikwanda kusichi that bono ande chichebo and that leader igago ikerubu anko mono no governor na leaders bande bagusi. Why are they not going straight to these people but responsible asama ngana yo wakana chibese abalimi baba tebi kubwa kote abale kote bina balimi yomanyete nga ntokuriye kubesa abantu bamintu ntogwanja chibese chito chiriye
ne goncho kwanto ne ligia
on ekero kolera igo. I mean, what are you bringing on table? We expect the governor to stand firm. Ai mokene governor yonya libo Nyamira, ai mokena bajumbe bonus 13 ba Kisii Nature Women Rep Choro baka industry bakole delegation but torore bago kwana seti vinga lero tumere president goso tumera abanene ba KTD kuba bowling aki inkia bali baitu bako nuchiba chinsine not addressing us again. It's like you are bringing back the problem go tolerance so that ngike
Matilda.
Mheshimiwa Ogega. Kino tukwane robo lemi tukobekeke ekamerigie cha kando ntukwate bimelie vingi bunabonekawa emesinero amatoke naroro nabo igo ebintu binde vingi kurwa gusia bitaraba bikwe glory eri bwenerete ningi kiranyare gukorekana erikwane kibuna omoremi ogusi ori okore makindi yonse neba nemesi onyare kuigwanga amaene na nkobara appreciated gosomo kioe koletora matunda.
Back to leaders still Matilda. Is it the radio?
Yes.
Correct. Tindi kuana bobi. Omate every member of parliament in Kisii and kirase kiroro konkondo bwate Kemeli bwense meyo at the same time kiroro konkondo bwate Kemelia rotekemete. I want to give you an example. Asengo rubasi amatoke naro. Ntu arosale tuwege ntonyamache kenge chiro ya matoke. I think it no mosado olinga kuruwa World Bank bakatorosalia bakaruchi besa chiro si chire nkong panto bakarichi besa chiba gakora bakagachege ntokenge nyomba yo muntu akomenya yetabwa ati anything amatoka ko irororo agunda in the next 10 minutes ya sali kirepi. These leaders who come from specific constituencies, they know what their people were dependent on. Onye no mojumbo kurugirango na matenga abantu bane babogirango egento bagosumeka ne Messi. Let him go to parliament and push for those things because konya abantu babogirango. Ndubwata abantu baito babo nchari. Babuata kosene chinchuku. Ebusukari. The member of parliament who is a representative should go straight to parliament, agitate for issues that will affect abalemi bensem because one don't expect you mo jumbe osoro agenda parliament ya kuona mangalecha. Ejine chinsara sali because chaete
agenda kwanire bware
to moremi aka no mosibo akure pakenze tenene. So we expect also other leaders from other areas but capture again take you omugaba no iteke ntokonya kumokwanira mono erene overall erebona alternate meli bionsi pi asa matuka yago safu atala chikurusu kangera ko genda kirige ntokera affected gusi okwana ngekemelieke nge nero kora tutabinga nabwate abantu abakonsana investors kuru China. Why is he not bringing those investors to Bobas bakora mangana matoka babe ke industry yako nyabas abantu baroro ngiata ikobekere aba investor aba baleta no mbogirango basiemesi abantu itoli korechiga. So back to your question, it still goes back to leaders. Leaders must do something. If they cannot, then they need to be replaced.
Tubate omo county omo waziri boboremia se county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira barabungi bakora
material tiango tabyo man ministers ba county level eba akorega singa kiongwae igarero obo none minister onyerete ma ochomo chiko yo mombo bolinga nkegenda tego bole mina batatu ala information isain boli omo minister bwa machenga nkegenda rete chinsemo gete e governor ya Kisii igebegete ebinto byonsi pi possible ayega. The minister may not have powers to okora kende gyonsi ebinto binde binge bikoba implemented in executive as a governor or CEO abantu bategemete governor batebigento bakora. We don't have a minister at the level of Keiga egotebegento rojenjere libati yangi minister ya Kenya agotere no kura e ministry onyironge ibweka tonyore minister moya Kisii county ekoncho kwa naji constituency ya manyanga ki muna bono kwa ore minister ya agriculture ya Kisii ego kwane goreta echa 10 years kwa muro last. So tamani they don't know what's going on anyway.
Omorigere motegere mbamu manyite.
So abanta baba ko kunga ministers borobu njetindo uchigo semba bwate gasba okora because kirega as Kisii as things stand okornu mukava. Tiga governor nyote gete kokonya aye aba minister Chingu unabono minister for agriculture. I'm not having a follow up on this issue because what stops the minister for agriculture from Kisii county to face a minister ya national government eye to eye amaboli mangana yecha ya kusi
right
au mheshimiwa Jimmy
oyo bono ogokwano mongwano oyo Vincent no mu MCA oralia oyo amwate mu MCA oralia
kurigiare tara
kurigiaro oyo atakere kangobeire because he seems to understand what is a role of MCA oyo
yes
atakere kangomanyire anganere nje nabuga ngano mu MCA ale ne
bono ngoliyo
oyo nangano mu MCA because mu MCA in fact omuntu understand the small area yaye mnanga kibinto mbiri bibi ko ba produce yo mbiri bibi wena ta ko ba na chat bikonya abalimi yani njera declare the issues
so every leader understand
bono ekina kitoko nyora kere problem obuna bwo barema in fact muna narigerere the advert gete nga tendering chi machine jigo jikoruwa sen China cha 1.5 billion chi tractor ngelinde toba independent yo kweremera chipara. I have never seen any country developed by the government. I've never seen any place developed by the government. You know the services rendered by the government mostly very poor. No one chigari chinyinge chire machines chire bought by the government chire dumped. Even chigaraje jinde chiro chiri ngwago lete ndoje chire mata alia chitanya ko serviced. But they are planning to buy new. Na kingo kote binga egentonare ko kwanera nkeringa omurai ga gutware vision. Bono muno yo gotenda 1.5 billion is a lot of money. When the quality chief machine chigo produce chigo industry ever owned by the people, it produces something. Or I take into get call machipara. Chiparo nsaligo.
Mosho Peter Jim. Bono asenjono chinga mwana mwa kwa nirebuya nande omugushunya igure. Now let's go to solution.
Solution neli.
Kiumo solution katoko kwa sababu bolemi.
Okay. Asobolemi etutakere ko kolege ntoke koro kunga value added addition yase ebimeli byaito.
Yes.
Na ende ebimeli ebibyaito ntotakere ko empower doligie system ngana kibikoba sold at Mombasa and when bitakere kogorwa na ande mpara bya bakubionia tutakere ko solution to that.
Yes.
Because ntokonyora abantu baruete region ya yemo baoni chawo yabo yaera bamanya gotenge yaito ya test tiguno monu ngabono njanorete muguri. We don't want to do that. Again to byakabire ebimeli ebibire gusi abarai baito tigabamanye na ubakuridia abantu ba succeed baru a poverty line bacho in middle class. In fact any society as abantu bari economically well bamenyete buya bakuragira buya. That is the society to my take and that go produce more and take and that yenyene.
Right.
So we Catholic yenchera to assist our people to barusi poverty to take go politicize and weaponize poverty against our people.
Right.
Yani ngatutige konya kosera abantu kwa tuwa batebinga bono. You know abantu baito babe marginalized nowadays to animals. Yani ogo ikase kete no mukutano ogo kwanera abantu tara kwana kende bagwakere chinkobi and there is no point. Yeah. Point there wa kwanire gota kete kokoro ego batenga bona abantu baminto na achira baka chinkobi because barabu batagete okole buango obaeke batage. That is the level of very marginalized to animals.
Right.
One solution ne again take getigwe even to capitalize on this, oko sera abantu, onye koroje nga no sera abantu. Rosi something kere produce to the community. Industrial parks. Tu atebigu. Chigwende chi factory chi dam di baka bono iga. kanga chabe activated abantu chibe active chance go produce.
Yes.
That is the solution we are looking for. Totige kungaina abantu we are collecting billions and billions to our account every year for what? Doing what? Chibe sekaro CRF account. What are you using it for? Onyore wokoira ni 5.3 billion to CRF account as if a factory ere bonchari a factory ere chiware takere kanga barosiri eye mesiere bogirangari kanga ya bete ya matoke ya takere gabo basi kanga ya bete completed bono to accord the project DJ Jones which factory they are planning. Unsarigo, let me give you a small economic concept.
Yes.
There is no community that can develop by dread business. Just dreading. Whatever. Never. Because how many people you employ in your shop? We must have a manufacturing business.
Yes.
That is when we will think of elevating our economy to a certain level.
All right.
But if we are relying on dread business, you can't do it unless you rely on the bank. And when you rely on the banking money, which banks gives below 18% interest? Which bank? What profit will you make with 18%? We must have our country, our leaders, have a vision about tomorrow. Elevate our people from poverty. Do something of substance that will empower them economically.
All right,
not just to feed like street boys. A street boy, when you give him food to eat that day, he will even worship you because that is the far he thinks. Even our leaders, if they will not think beyond a minute. They are just thinking like our people who are crying that the people have stolen money for their partners. And they are also crying. That's what the governor was crying. Is that the solution? Menyata State yale. Na Menyata State for North Carolina State. Yes. And actually, I was an investor there.
Oh, okay, thank you. Gati Matilda, one question to siasa
Mheshimiwa Ogega. Andake twakwa ni robole meto ate babarai. Au manyete gusie megondo ya keire na boigono nyobo to bwa keira se megondo. Ikyo kero ke kukuno mureme directly. Naki kibwanete kurigererigwa.
Asamangana yo.
Obotobu wa keire ne megondo ya keire.
Abantu ikabama ba understand ko manage ndaraja zili swali ya onganjere Madrid.
Yes.
Because yang uneke kia moralia onsaligo concerning solutions. So na wanda achieve.
A solution, yes. Obotobu na boboto. Yes.
On solutions. Number one,
yes.
Nje solution ndio chera bia. Tia tuale scientific testing. Ndo tuale gende ko mheshimiwa ko rakia kyomun abantu baitu batuale ndo rukunga quality assessment ye chae pamanyanga ki ekero ogo test ye chae no mheshimiwa no monda ko bekera mabere nsa test ya sukari ukera ya tabwati okaka bwate so abantu batuale enginjengia enjera yo test
batumeke technology
ya kisasa komanyana ki abantu ngakie chae aito ere. Number 2, I was proposing onye dinale ngene chinguru tuale a kind of a regulatory framework so that abantu nonye directors are regulated ekero ba kolire gento ketekebe enjere ya toka nonye ne ekero ba kor nonye na my explanation nitekere ko bali minga nonye ne chigari to ko mafuta iga gento ma to mole miokale maria era bunanyo le bonus ya 10 shillings ba kora ebinto nganga kijibe chat mikete mali cost nini tai ko understand so aiga no bokora bondo bokurwera ma ba director ba minyokani ma ba beka chisabu kitali ko igwana binto keteiga ba ma yete ngomolemi olio kare kwende echaime ta gocha baka computer koranga maena to abika tamo gari to kibuta to kogenda so tutuale kind of abantu ba recruit ba regulate to achieve accountability
information
ende tutuale fair representation tutuale aba na iko mheshimiwa chimikana na kwa nanga ki etubwata ba director abantu.
Yes. Body 6.
We need 7. Yeah, we need 3 now.
Aba director bali ko sensa ba tigenjereri gwa director abakei we number
Yes.
babe no nyamba tatu na basavu area nene at least umuntu abwate know how egenta gukora na nda ko reach out to people o explain ya bande gento kiaba una bonus ye aba na abandu bali nyokwane tibiga aba director bali they have not gone to directly aso mo lemba mo ikaranzi bamo areza nga chibe se chiaba tege problem ya rueta gento gete kabai gento kabai bono mba understand mo lemba gento kama ete tu atuchibe se chingi and that is enough for them so ebine binacha koligere libya samangana akwerende also finally aba director kera bala kwa campaign bukwana balenga about chipara tomo director na bwate chipara mbabwate egento bata tokora about chipara because you cannot expect you can set factory okanye erua matoke ime echepare kereske yoka omaete the volume of tea mogo produce kure factory also ngo determine no nyine chibes chigo cha se factory so nabachaera aba akomukuru ebinyoro ime wo cha se factory because poor network erembe
chibesa chiri chidirector chia Kairu ko inyori echiachite chigansa gotomugeche county bono igo ekero chibesa chiri chigotomugeche county chibesa chinyinge sana chigwana atakorosi para biri bono ekero muremi aibeire igo nonye ne chigavana nchimaete una baibeire
because chibesa chiatumetu
chiatumetu chiaga tumirukare se director igo no boibi bonde because
chibesa no chiuche county
chiri SS elie kona chikoruchi factory eyaga tumirukare
Because we speak, and that Omugavana nara aware about Chibese Chiri Chikoro Chiba.
Governor manyete very well
Chikoro Chipara Chikoro Chicha the factory.
Jale to county.
Elio Moise as a solution. Get to a parliamentary probe into issues Chigodi Namangana Akeke. Get to Araba Ekeombegete, a committee get Kurua a parliament. Egofuatilia yagenda yamanyega ndokenda ta KTDA une company because KTDA tigire monopoly yoko kore bintu yoka abantu batali kweswanani abantu batali kweswanania komanyanga inki kegenda ta KTDA no management ya enga kire boruba abantu bakirete bibakanyete ka KTDA tangase bonus so let us have a proper committee ekofuatilia amangana agendere ta KTDA no nya leadership eronga kire so no nyoro bura igete boko rusi gororo omuntu okorera no nya auditing nakibinto bire mate abantu okora auditing na siasa na bento bana tigate abantu leadership ya KTDA ekero audit naro jomo omoshimi wo tabanga ki rero mo director ga joro rero mambia ko drive very new brand Mheshimiwa Vincent, asante sana because looking at abaira singing take mononga tuskasiri niga last one kiri kukwanda solution yeyu
enale kukwaniranga muno mo MCA oyo. Let me call him mo MCA because he has really articulated the issues very well cha areas yaye na mono gusiengima nataka gotebanga ebinto bune bibi korokunga amangana yobo direct obo abaremi bokamba bwate mistake aba tokorwanirira babwate mistake ye menge mono nobaga jora barayaba na ende ekero wono ni ba device buna inje na bairo muremi 001 mba device nga karatiga gopima KTDA chae muratige chigwende chiratara ne chigundi choka chigari chirija ino bagenda mupime mara mupime mogeni yani murapima ande no 1 week eserekare chichonde debo tukwana manganaya they cannot listen na bantu konyora bari divided yani they have been structured in a way bakorengere that way iba mwene te bari yenchera bakore strike kyamba kwanjiruma etabatware union abale mimbata ketego tware union yogemba ali bakaitwo mbaka gutwara onye ndi babwate union they could be earning good money lakini bono nje na atokire ngaki nkorwanira nda banda aba 001 mwandukire omuremi bono rende nkobatenga mutagutiga kurapimira KTDA chae erinde mumanyenga none chibese chino chiatumegete kugure chae bora momba bumanyiro gorega chatendera factory ingorierete bonus.
Thank you Mheshimiwa. Asante.
Yani baigwere baratiga gupima KTDA strike.
Thank you.
Entagete strike.
Yes.
That's what I want.
Thank you.
Osarigo. Nigo rindire na wate ase Mheshimiwa Ogega.
Natuasuka kurwa sense moyo bulimia sinini because singa kicheto chikumyo kagaiga the things iganga ndikumanya bana ngwana bali mana bana siasa. Mheshimiwa, you are seeking for elective city ya Masige East, yeah? What pushed you to look for that?
Mbuya mono nande so gotoleta bona sama ngana.
Yes, what is the position of politician?
Twara itiro bolemi.
Yes.
Twakonyira balemi yo koigwa na bakoigwa itwa kwani.
Yes.
Inje no mo rwanirinde. Kosa na tanga asire ganga yane yo kuriekero kya Masike East kyo ba MCA. Aso gima bwane, I've always been passionate kotaka kugambira ose kora eliete yo kugambira nani kwano ke ruler mugambi. I don't want to be a ruler.
No.
Kotaka kora abantu ba Masike East.
You need to read.
Ko address issues jiko ba affect. Talire ro taligoro I've been always wanting to get into politics yamangana, especially ya Masike East. At one point ina abwate gangeyo ngakiyo nganyorange ngakina ariko gichukura abantu bane osaba abantu bekenyoro gito yanko yane ibere sokoro ngori bale the same seat ngaba advice ngate ngokora atimo kake oganye ngakiyao ego ikanto gotebe ngakiyo une yegete abantu betinga this is the right time na ndinde tayari ku represent abantu ba Masike East kibarangeli bagejo. Yes.
Mheshimiwa Peter Jim.
Yes.
You are a politician for a long time.
Yes.
Kwa beiro mwana siasa ageraba abandike tukire tuku Mheshimiwa Peter Jim.
Yes.
Boniga na andi no bwato obote bubu governor.
Yes.
What are you doing akero unabona voter registry jiko kolekana? Imagine Kisii County only agatuguli Kisii County bodiga namba y'abantu ba register bodiga Kisii County bale 200 yani 728 people. Nyamira 18 pesa agricole staff as a voter iruna mukuli bonaye ngimwaka le
abantu baitu twabatangasire sana baende ba register as voters.
Yes.
Ekiagara ni bagogo chikoboko lyo moro komanyoki omonto ngoko ibira chikura cheibiru o chikoboko liko selitimo gose ebunduki bogolie ebunduki yao ebunduki yao nekura onye bogolie onye tume orusio morayi oliota utatakiti na abakurere sana lakini bona abantu baitu none karoko bairanga genda naratuma chigari chikubogolia abantu getenga genda asigete ngatuma bege abantu gete ba popularize abantu bande bake chikura still abantu aba baitu umuralia iko batagete nande gwakora ekyo baseru gokuminga ki what culture ya chirega seita tu ngento kiandeta soborai koligio borai we county there is a lot of misappropriation of funds jikoletwa gase yani asensemo ya Kisii naenda karoko ligere the population muno mogusiago kina if we don't work very carefully omogusi to work very carefully a population ya itamari makeire abantu ngo chigoitana bale onsarigo no mugati utaeti go chinyomba. We must come up with a strategy. Israel have been to Israel na anda Israel so jabona alia wo kagani Israel. Israel they are about the population I mean when the space bamenyete is about 22,118 square kilometer which slightly almost the same size of Nyanza. But omanyenga how many countries Israel go fit in Africa, you will be surprised. Into Kenya to what the population size land ya over 500,000. Now about what the 22,000 is size na under rock.
So according to you think governor has not done
governance policies, they are the things that ruin and reduce our economy to zero. That is what is bringing us down. Policies and the governance. So Karoranga, let me come. That's what I've seen out. Ndorenga aba leaders ya baitu nkora abana bako graduate every year. How many people are going to be to be hustlers out here who are going to turn to be criminals and yet they are graduates?
Asichinde merongi kira korekana. Asichinde mero. Jake ande bunagusi.
Jake ana. Wono maite omari maito amange wono nturgo twara bagirigacha bagutare nkwe kwabale aba director bago chaba kubona Simba buyeka nabantu baye mbali gotara gabane Simba. Mbali gotarira abantu those are governors bacha nande taya TV bakwanira etaya TV bale gukwanira.
Mheshimiwa kwanira ichinde merekera Jake.
I'm giving example. bagateanga governor tari ko support in empowering abalemi how bataleru extension nento mbale twagatwalira extension what officers bagatalire chipikipiki bate abantu na bagwake mistari bakobekera obwoyo na bakolemera ji bako utilize their land bona abantu baito obolimo obwaito mbura bota produce what we want.
So meaning you say we take na bako korayo.
I will do that.
Thank you Mheshimiwa.
I will do a lot.
Mheshimiwa Ogega.
More than that.
Mheshimiwa Ogega.
Yes,
you know these things ekero ngubugati historia agobuya. Sometimes baka is na korimule wa sandi sana no mo MC o masigebo niga bwana Mutume.
Yes.
What happened? You want to challenge him? Na ndio musani ogali.
Mbuyamano iswali litalia gwe kwamba oliriyo muralia.
Because I've been singing you together.
I've received so many people.
Yes.
Back on board same question concerning obusani bwana na Mutume to the last minute. Musuma banta bange bamaitenga amatuka mange ntu amenya na era sense ya Botswana.
Yes.
Okoregasi for almost 6 years to abana era oro kole miremo. Patinta ke tokolira ni RS studio for the first time ngana ki obosani bwana naye onsarigo. Tobuate negento kireke yao pi na mangana yoborai. Friendship elitokoshana etomira necha hotel twanyi twaseka twakoraki. When it comes to leadership, that is absolutely a complete different direction. Abantu bamasike kero barata kero baranyore ng'emechando ya beire. Ebintu ba motuma batayete tarakora. Ebintu biria ale koralie kera ale koli gichukura mbira arorekana. Integete nko bolyo saligo asa obo mayana bonya sai. Obo sani bwana na Mutume. Nkibora akonya abantu bamasike babwate population ya abantu abange ko ayo now issues chiba affected. Up to now as we speak, and I always tell people, Mutume no musanion. We don't have any difference. Oma tekero ke ngoli gyo saligo talikero kia Mutume akabuate ndate benga ngende chiko murwani go se ma toga ndumuna maoni nyagitari gete onyora so munyagitari yakurwali akalikire chemist kiae oanze komungusa kurumenga na eno tete kulikwemereme ino mundu yo muligete, then you have a problem because you montege na kiega so merete kioka na kiago kora na ndali kilo monye no.
So because aba menyi
kia masige east na inde the funny part of this story kelinga giatanga asirwe ekero eke giatanga asirwe ngo bakire vacanti go chakata 2027 ekero kia beire vacanti neba ngarero Mutume nabo musani yo na dia kuri chukurechi na alikibwe ka settle. There are people still kando na Vincent bako lichukura chama.
Thank you. Thank you. Sante sana. Omwechi buliendo chikara chikumyo kagalia abange batulikire efundi ya power kuruchiso bochirichia ruora gotemanga ndani yo murubuli. Shukrani sana kaili kurwa Riana yakorenga Johnson Omangi kurubu machoge tendere watching live. Asante sana Shemchwea kuruchiso mochirichia taracha watching live. Asante sana kurunya Koiba Johnson Ondeli watching waki abagani abuba kwenda manganama ya mulimi oikaranziro obeiru mutako mwere tiga abarayi baitu bakole something. Okay Matilda, there are so many SMS here gaiga samo yago Facebook.
Moses Ombuya agote bakora chinse mo Changong town na Boigo Mugambi agote banga tigeyero
ene slogan yani
tigeyero ni keke agote no ale me yo mo bakora chinse mo chiricha nyamacha agote banga salimia mheshimiwa tochi mogaka agote monogeri ongeanga facts MC 2027 Natasha Mao agote watching live bakora Jogo Kisi na Boigo Ragira Steve Nera agote banga tigeyero Mokono Vivian agote tigeyero masige na Hezi Kazola nere na agote Boigo ngatigeyera Rambaya Rosafi agoteva akoro Nairobi mukuru kwa Ruben 04 Baga Joshua agoteva watching live Christine Mongina agoteva koro chinse mochanya magesa roche wikachinse mochanya mache chiduka igagoteva nga o mheshimiwa Vincent Ogega ogokwanire nabo igo Hezi Kazola nere nigagoteva koro chinse mochirichanya mache chituka bareme.
Asante sana. Okay anyway by the way tuwakogendera sinjigaki mheshimiwa ganeti o just award uja sumulige to kuruga ka chinga chakandi
mbia mona baralia se chinga kie chingia nche na bere no mogoka so twali bageri mwato eligia so kukwanira abaremi especially na Boigo kukwanira mangana ye county ya ito ya Kisii igonda tebie abarigereria simurigereti munyare koba moko babangarifu ekarmo gochora barai 2027 na boigo na emangana ya empowerment astop onye chibese chigotoka abarai abari baba konya gweta igora ne private jets na koreta 40 million baba ligira abantu twanyora ekaro chiagirwe 46 shillings bachibeke in project chirakonye omwana inchi agendera asuke to another level igo inche muna chimi mumanyi igonda abatebi nga nainu na abalemi more mubwateli bagalie wekonya inu abanyene aso okosuya KDDA gutagure chaya ino asichinga kieji muraranyira asensemende elinde na lia serikali ra betererigwe echiche on the table to kwana mangana ya ngaichibese cheno chia chiete chio mwako yo bonus ye.
Asante sana mheshimiwa.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Na ndele 2027 ni bora kwa bata ino.
2027 yende ustina ntevya barari na batevi nganje ne oboka banankoligia. Ego 2027 mondigereri morore ngaki nkindarete account ya itebwene motige ko misappropriation of funds chibesa chitige koirana go CRF account chibakonye abana.
Asante mheshimiwa Vincent. Just a one.
Bia mano. Ntebeiga itangani gochia sabali mirero twabwate nkwane ne igore yabalemi na abantu bamasige bwana barakuminga ntora chambwa siasa gochimba
siasa ntutokole siasa
tokole lero twabwate ukwane igore yabalemi tu abalemi batebi tiga tobe maiso abantu bari gatikabera asecha yaina koni go boli mombororo fuatirie cha yaino na inde moisiko bwati amangana mheshimiwa Jimmy atebire because ya no mulemi omukongu abantu bakole buna musio mogomo kogomera abantu ose company ya KTDA nabo bako realizinga because kene ngiyo baraba liyo nyomo ko bachaye so al advice ya bali bakongi mogondo na inde babwati bintu byabino byakanda tu abantu bamasige ase matwarega ngayo kuri gichukura mbasa basomo go gwanja nje ninde geti kuri ginde chikura cha masige east nimbwate gange ngia nimbwate birengere biasaba saya bangina bantaba gotwa bagaka na bakoli biasara baito banyamache na nenta bembu ya mono mheshimiwa Gonzaligo asaba nto baito bamasige mono ekegolie ke abasaya kiangeri bagali nene sana komnyokie kero kia masige aningo saba bali bonsi bakolia bali gichukura no morembe batie kona kokosa abantu gotebia abantu nga otakiri kolikura mate Gonzaligo nyoro omonto obwate omosubacho kono obwati gochiroche gochietinga goche igege ntonkera atarakora arengeretinga kero kende omusacho mungama nyoro moire igo omo MCA ororo bono atige konyegeri gubono chikura abantu koli gibale na bamasikemba bwato omuntu bagochora. I thank you very much na tinya sabase.
Asante sana. Azoro bwanchu muliringa mbio mwanasije kwa bere naitwa Sengambo onyolenga ensemble kurugoma ikulis umugoro kurunga rukasumugaka ne timu emboke magari bayane kiringa byose biro bya kurensemiga se studio twasanga muri mitoga iga
Matilda Obaigwa.
Jiguru kwa Geoffrey Usarigo kwa niaba mwako nkorogo uyoso kama pema. Bye bye, God bless you so much. Tobera ne ankyo asumurobri etuani jagetembe. Shukran.
Thank you Matilda.